In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send eCertificate in Google Forms. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Forms. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use, especially if you're working from a school or organization workspace. Once you're on the Forms homepage, choose Blank Form to start fresh. When the blank form opens, you may see a Gemini prompt appear. This is Google's AI helper that can draft a form for you. In the prompt, type something like, "Make a simple certificate." If you want a better result, you can be a little more specific, for example, by mentioning fields like recipient name, email address, event or course title, and completion date. Then click Create. You'll likely see a confirmation. Click Create Form to let Gemini build it for you. After the form is generated, review what it produced and edit anything you need. This is a great time to rename the form to something clear, add a short description that tells people why they're filling it out, and adjust the questions. For certificate workflows, it's a good idea to make the name and email questions required so you don't miss key details. You can switch question types, add help text, or remove anything that doesn't fit. If branding matters, you can also tweak the theme and header image so the form matches your organization's look. When you're happy with the setup, it's time to make the form available. Click Publish. If you see a confirmation or permissions prompt, click Publish again to finalize it. In some interfaces, this may appear as Send. Either way, you're making the form shareable. Next, generate a shareable link. Click Shorten URL to create a cleaner, shorter address that's easier to paste into emails, chats, or slides. Then click Copy to place the link on your clipboard. You're ready to share. Send that link to participants through your preferred channel. As responses come in, you'll have a tidy list of names, emails, and any other details you requested, which you can use to prepare and send your e-certificates. If you plan to email certificates, double-check that the email field is required and correctly formatted. For quality control, you might submit one test response yourself and verify that everything looks right in the Responses tab before sending the link broadly. That's it. You've created a simple certificate form, published it, shortened the link, and copied it for easy sharing. Now you can focus on issuing the certificates with confidence.